Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, it's here. Oh my gosh, it's here. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, so cute. So cute. It shipped from the Netherlands very quickly. Oh my god, it's so cute. I can kind of see in there. Oh my god. So excited. Got here so quickly. I was like, I'll run to the post office, see if it's there. Oh my lord, how cute. This is like a little extra travel diary for 2021. It's not dated, so you can use it whenever. Oh my gosh, this would be super cute for all my like Orlando and Austin pictures, because that's kind of the traveling that I did this year. Oh, that's cute. So cute. Love it. Ah, here she is. Here she is. Oh, and more little goodies. Oh, Daphne's diary has the cutest goodies. Oh my god, how fresh. It's like a tiny little cottage. It's not tiny. It like way folds out. Oh my god, that's charming. This would be cute little Christmas village. Oh, I love it. Postcards. Yeah. Oh, those are sweet. Look at that. That is adorable. I have like a tea set. Oh my gosh, cute. Oh my god, cute. How precious. That's perfect for fall. Oh my god, and here she is. The 2022 planner. Is it a planner? Is it a journal? Agenda. I guess that's the technical term. Oh, look at that. It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. Oh my god, I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Cute. Okay. It's got, there's just like, it's so like beautiful, and there's like so many layers, and each page is so different. I had one in 2017. I'll try and find it. Oh my gosh, how cute. So there's like a little pocket here. I just love all the colors. A title page with the year at a glance, and then looks like kind of a sample page. Has an overview of what each page looks like with the month, and it's in like a few different languages, which is so amazing. The day, the week number, a place for if you need to call somebody, a place for your TV programs, and then it also has things to buy and a to-do list. Oh, look at that. How cool. It has like tracker, I don't know, index, year at a glance page. That is so cool. I love this. Okay, that just like flips out and you have the entire year right there. And I think the weekends are highlighted. It reminds me of like the Hobonichi. That's kind of how their planner is. Oh, it's just gonna be beautiful. I wanna like look at every page. Contacts, and there's just so much to look at. Every page is like a surprise. And oh, how cool. The months flip out so you kind of have a bigger spread, which is kind of nice, because one thing is like the rings may be in the way. You know, it's just not some people's planning style, but having these completely lie flat is amazing. I love it. Oh my gosh, this looks like you could color it in but it's just beautiful the way it is. Oh my gosh, it is the same. Okay, how cute. I love it. Oh my god, this is beautiful. So it has a little like horizontal section, rectangle for each day of the week, and then there's this middle section, this middle page, which is my favorite part, I think, of this whole planner. That was my favorite part when I used it in 2017, and oh, they're just gorgeous. I like saved all of the ones I didn't use because I didn't use the journal for the whole year, but I saved all of the pages because they're all so beautiful. Like, they've got beautiful little images and designs on them. Oh, this is just gorgeous. Every week is like something new. It's a surprise. So you've got the days of the week. And I love this little middle insert piece. And on the back, it's just dots. It's dot grid. How fun. It's so perfect. Oh, this is gorgeous. Non-alcoholic grog. Grog? Okay. February, love forever. How cute. Little blank writing spot. Oh, this is just adorable. Every week is, oh, this is romantic and cute. The little birds with the roses. This is one of my favorites so far. A snow shovel, I'm guessing, for February. Can't relate. I live in California. Oh, this is cute. Oh my gosh, postcards. And then you can like tear them out. Oh, cute. Cute, cute, cute. March with a little squirrel. I can't. Oh, that's precious. Precious, precious. Like a mood tracker. Fresh. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. Kind of like neutrals. Getting into like spring. Oh, Lord have mercy. This is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Ooh, hello in all the languages. April, gorgeous. Ooh, yum. That looks yum, yum, yum. Little buns. Bun. Oh, those are fresh with butterflies. A water tracker. Oh my goodness, gorgeous. These tulips, is that what they are? With the black and white and pink. Okay, this is also one of my favorite pages. Oh, cute. More little bunnies. Must be Easter. Makes sense. Citrus. Ooh, gorgeous. Blue butterfly. And a blue little bird. Oh, fresh. Fresh. Smoothie recipe. Flower garden. Oh my goodness. This journal is just too cute. So you can use that as like a planner. I think it has like a really kind of perfect amount of space for like a gratitude or just memory keeping. And these are just amazing. I love, this is my favorite like feature of this journaling system. Oh, the bees. They're precious. Bees and wildflowers. Oh, and the little bird. Oh, I just love it. Every page is like a surprise and it switches up the design, but it's all so beautiful. So beautiful. Half a year is gone. Welcome June. I feel like 2021 has flown by. Look at the butterflies. Another mood tracker. I'm like, do I need another journal? I have a few people that would love this. I think this is gonna make like such a good, amazing Christmas gift, because then they can like start using it at the beginning of 2022. But oh my Lord, it's gonna be hard to not enjoy this myself because it's so beautiful. But I think like I have the perfect person for this. And like I said, it's gonna make a great gift, great Christmas gift. Are these stickers? Oh Lord, you had me at stickers. Oh my God, they're cute little canning stickers. Oh, this is precious. Yeah, maybe not. Sorry, recipient. I may not get my grubby little fingers off of this little hummingbird. Ah! This is the most precious. Oh my God. Gardening. Oh Lord. Butterflies. Yeah, this is adorable. Look at how they designed this page. This is my favorite. Pink and butterflies, and I love how they layered this. Every page is just like a little bit different, a little bit, I don't know, it's exciting. Oh my God, how cute. I love the butterflies. This is the sweetest thing I've ever seen. August, my birthday month. Ah, how precious with the watermelon. Yes. Augustus. I like that even better. Oh my God, it's so fresh. So fresh. Oh, my birthday's on a Friday. Yay. That'll be fun. Oh my God, and it's my 30th. Oh, that's awesome. That's exciting. Oh, cucumber. Oh my God, this is the cutest little journal. Oh, I have a red and white striped umbrella in my backyard. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, I might need to order another one for Christmas. For a Christmas gift. This is gorgeous. Look at that. That's pretty. I think this would make such a good Christmas gift. I was gonna pass along this one, but I think, I don't know, I'm gonna have to find a use for it. I think this is like the perfect little spot just to do like a few events for the day if you want to keep it on your desk as like a planner or as a memory keeper. I think it's perfect little like gratitude or like mantra, something small from the day that you want to write down. So like a few events, a few little tasks, or just like a few little lines of journaling, reflection. Oh my goodness, so cute. So we're kind of moving into fall colors. Oh, that's spooky. Oh, the little shroomy adorbs. Orange fruit is always good. I don't understand. Yes, but I don't understand. Postcards. How cool. Yeah, you can like tear them out. Oh, that's fresh. Oh, cozy October. And a walking tracker. Cool. Oh, this is beautiful. Ooh, very fall vibes. Oh, how pretty. Oh, November with the deer. Oh, precious. Oh my God, I want that as like a sticker. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, like a china, the blue and white china pattern. Ooh, this is pretty. They're all so pretty. Take a shot every time I say pretty. I love it. Oh, little biscuits. Oh my goodness. And paintbrushes. This is just, oh, Christmas. Oh, Christmas. How cute. Oh, how cute. Oh, how cute. Another little moon tracker. Oh my goodness. I love the pages. They're all just kind of like a surprise. They've got a cute little design that changes kind of seasonally. All different colors, and Oh, how cute. And designs. It's just so much fun. So we have a diary page and a few stickers, like really large stickers for birthday that you can put on like specific days. They look bigger than the days. They're way bigger than the days. These are huge stickers, which is kind of cool. There's no way. Okay, get back in there. Close enough. Oh my god, cute. And then there's like another little pocket here in the back. Oh my god, precious. Oh yeah, there's these rings here. There we go. Oh my god. So that is the Daphne's Diary 2022 agenda. I will have as many links in the description as possible if you guys want to check any of this out. Lord have mercy, this is cute. So cute. Thank you. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And like I said, I think this would make a great Christmas gift for anyone who likes beautiful things. Oh, so beautiful. I love it. Okay, I'm probably gonna flip through it again and just like really enjoy it this time. Oh, so beautiful. But thank you so much for watching. Until I see ya in the next video, stay creative. Bye y'all.